Workshop safety means following rules, regulations, and smart work habits that protect everyone from injuries. Accidents often happen due to carelessness, improper handling of tools, faulty equipment, or poor safety awareness. Prevent accidents by obeying safety rules, maintaining equipment regularly, and using protective devices. Keep key safety devices like fire extinguishers, water buckets, fire blankets, and gloves close and easy to reach. Simple rules matter. Don't run, don't play, wear protective clothing, return tools, and report damaged equipment. Ignoring safety can lead to injuries, loss of property, wasted time, and even death. Every student and worker must take responsibility by learning, memorizing, and practicing workshop safety every day.